to Living Modestly Naturally DIYs. Hi, I'm Rachel Harris. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome, welcome, welcome. And to all my new and returning subscribers, I want to say thank you for the support. In this video, I will be making a body oil. This time, I'm making this oil for men. Father's Day is coming up, and I decided I wanted to make a more masculine fragrance, okay? And this is sure enough a masculine scent. It's suitable for the man in your life. So if you want to make a handmade, body oil, something that came from you, something that came from your heart, that you put your heart, mind, soul into, you can tune into this video because I'm about to show you how you can make your own, okay? And feel free to tweak it how you want. We'll do whatever with it how you want, but I'm going to show you the ingredients I used, and I'm also going to leave links in the description box below of where you can purchase these essential oils, and also I'll be using fragrance oils combined to create this body oil. So without further ado, let's get started with let's get started with the mixing. All right, to get started, here's the tools that you'll need. So you need a 1/3 cup, measuring cup. You need a funnel for pouring, easy pouring, and some pipettes. Here I have labeled one for chocolate amber and another one for tropical green floral. Then I have a glass stirrer, but you use any type of stirrer. I'm just using glass. And then I have a teaspoon. I'm going to show you why I'm using the teaspoon, measuring spoon, and your fragrances, but we'll get to that. And then you need some vegetable glycerin. Vegetable glycerin is so good, and it's a multi-purpose type of product that you could use for skincare. Whatever you're making for skincare, you can always add vegetable glycerin. It's lubricating. It helps to lock in the moisture in the skin. It's really good. Yeah, and I find that when I make my body oils, it just makes the skin feel so soft. It just adds to the body oils when you make them. And then you need a carrier oil as well. And I'm using grapeseed oils. Always important when you're using essential oils, highly concentrated fragrance oils. Please pair it with a carrier oil. Is so important. I can't stress that enough, because you don't want to have a bad reaction just pouring some, taking an essential oil, just pouring it on your skin and rubbing it in it, because they're very strong. The way that they're made is very concentrated, and they're very potent. So I have some here, some grapeseed oil. And then you need a spray bottle. The one that I'm using is a 4 ounce. And also, if you don't want to use a spray bottle type of top, you can also do applicator. Applicator bottles is good as long as it's sealed. It can seal back, you can use that. And then I also have labels. Yeah, because when you finish your product, you want to write what it is and stuff like that. And, so I got my little labels here. And, all right, now we can, oh yeah, I forgot too, a little container, sorry. I had it back here. A little container where you're going to put your combo, your fragrance combo, before you put it into your bottle. So, all right. So you got all your things? Did you get all your things yet? All right. So now we're going to get started with the mixing. All right. So I just want to show you real quick. I like to keep everything recorded. Like when I'm coming up with the fragrances, how many drops or how much teaspoons or tablespoons or whatever that I'm adding to make the combination, I like to record. And I've said it in other videos that, when you're coming up with something, write it down. Get yourself any journal book or notebook, notepad, somewhere where all your stuff goes together. Kind of like, you're creating your own recipe book or something. So yeah, so I have everything written down. So if you see me looking down occasionally, I'm looking at my, what I have kept record of how I want this whole thing to go. All right. So, okay. So we want to start with the base note. So we're going to start with base. Then we're going to go to the middle notes. And then we're going to go to the top notes. So for the base note, I'm going to use 50 drops of chocolate amber. Okay, 50 drops. So set this aside. Okay. 50 drops of amber. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. And the base note is the note that it lingers the longest. It's just going to be hanging around with you. It's just going to be sitting there on your skin, just, you know, basking with you, okay? Being with you throughout the day. And next we're going to do the middle note. Now, the middle note and base note, similar to the base note. It works with the base note. It also helps, you know. It's like the heart of the whole fragrance. It keeps things going as well. So they work together as a team, you know, to get with the foundation. They set the tone. They're like the foundation of the fragrance. So we're gonna do 40 drops of dark tea, okay? And this is from the brand MitFlor. Okay, this is from the brand MitFlor. So I'll leave the link. I'm going to leave the link to all these ingredients in the description box below so that you can make your purchases and stuff and work on them for yourself. So 40 drops. Dark tea. Let's go. It takes a little while for this to come out. But bear with me. Come on. Oh yeah, excuse me for the noise in the background. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay. Whew. All right. So we got 40 drops of dark tea. So I'm going to mix. Mix this around. Okay, now we mixed it. So I'm going to check the scent. I'm checking to see if I need to make any adjustments. I definitely smell the chocolate amber is definitely taking over because it's the base. And then I can smell a little bit of the dark tea. It's there. So it's taking on its role as the middle note. And the two are taking on the roles at the middle note and the base note. Next, we're going to go into the top note. So the top note is going to be tropical green floral. And I'm going to do 5 drops of tropical green floral. Because I don't need too much of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The tropical green floral has a fruity scent, and I just want just a little bit. I don't want it to be, you know, to take over because I'm trying to get, as we were saying, a masculine scent. So the tropical green floral, I want to add it, but not too much, just a little bit. Okay, and the next one I'm going to be using as a top note is the freesia. It pairs really nicely with the tropical green floral. It gives it a little extra oomph. So I'm going to put 5 drops of freesia in here. 5 drops. Let's hope this comes out faster. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. And now we're going to just mix it all around. Mix it all around. Get everything nice incorporated together. All right. So I'm going to set this aside, and now we're going to work on the rest of the mixture. I have out your spray bottle, and we're going to move on to the rest of the oils. For oil, we're going to add 1/3 cup of grapeseed oil. Pour it in here. Pour, 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 pour. And 1/3 cup makes about 2 point some odd ounces. So we're going to pour it into the 4-ounce bottle. Hope you can see that. I'm pouring it. All right. So it gives it about halfway. And next, we're going to add 1/3 cup of vegetable glycerin. I want to make this oil as simple as possible. I am giving it to my husband. Put antioxidant in here. You could put any other type of carrot oils that you like, just to spice it up a little bit, make it a little bit more interesting in your mixture. Do whatever you want with it, you know, to make it, have fun with your creations, whatever you're making. Enjoy what you do. You know, it's so important in this process, because you can get a little, it can be a little discouraging when you just you're trying to come up with something real good and things don't work out. But don't give up. Keep going. You know, it's worth it. I enjoy making things. You know, I really do. Yeah, so that's that. And last but not least, now remember when I showed you this teaspoon earlier? Yes, so I'm using it as a point of reference to show you that 3% of this fragrance that's going to be going into this formulation makes up about 1 teaspoon. And if you want to look at it in terms of drops, that's about 100 drops that I did in combination. The base, the middle, the top made up 100 drops. So I'm going to show you what it looks like in this measuring cup. So I'm just going to put it over here, so if anything spills, it'll just be... So you see? Get every drop in there. So yeah, you see that? All of that fit into, so it's 1 teaspoon, 3% is going into this mixture. All right. So, yeah. Let's put this aside. Let's put everything aside. Oh, and I didn't mention this before, but make sure you sterilize and you clean all of your tools, everything you're going to be using to make your products. Make sure everything is sterilized and clean. Okay, so everything is poured in, and now we're going to shake it up, because I just want to show you there's a separation with the vegetable glycerin and the grapeseed. So we gotta shake this up really good. Shake it up really good. Give it some time. Shake it up. And before you give it to your loved one, just make sure everything is well incorporated. I'm gonna let this sit out. Sit out and just mingle. All the scents, everything mingle with each other. And yeah. Going to test it out. Smell it. Let's see what's going on. All right. Yes. All right. Smells so good. It's not overpowering, but it gives the fragrance what it needs. But let it sit out. It's gonna get better over time. That's the thing with these types of oils. When you're making these fragrances, even if you use, like you're doing sprays or body sprays or body oils, give it time. Give it time to sit and settle. It does so well. It gets better. I have some oil that I made a while ago. That scent is just so lovely. So I'm telling you, I love making body oils and body sprays and stuff. So yeah, so that's it for now. Please give this a try. As I said earlier, I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below for all the oils that I use, that you could, get something for yourself as well. And all the tools, if I don't leave any links for the tools, you can easily go on Amazon and search for pipettes, glass stirrers, little containers and stuff, inexpensive. You can even go to Dollar Tree. Like this, for example, this I got at Dollar Tree. So yeah, inexpensive if you're just starting. And as you bump up and you get more, professional and everything, and you can, buy like the more pricey stuff. Relax, but yes, it's not overpowering. So if you have someone that that doesn't like any too much hard scents, this is perfect too. If you don't want something so strong, but enough that it'll appeal to a man, because this is for men, okay? And so, thank you again so much for watching. Be sure to like, give me a big thumbs up, interact with me in the comments, share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel for more content from your way. And remember, modesty, everything nothing. All in the next video. I'm going to say a quick happy Father's Day in advance to all the fathers in the world, all the men that stepped up in the lives of children, any father figures out there. I just want to say happy Father's Day to each and every one of you. I want you to know that you are appreciated. Okay? You are doing an amazing job. Later.